Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a video on the Cessna 414 Alpha Whiskey. I hope you guys enjoy. So here we are in the Cessna 414 Alpha Whiskey. We're here at, actually this is marked as the Bravo Whiskey by John Player Team Lotus. Don't know what that means. It's just a cool livery, black, yellow stripes. I really like it. So we're going to be, I don't think I'll do a flight today, but I will show you the startup and some of the cooler features in this aircraft. So first we're going to go with the one of the coolest feature is this EFB here. We're going to start it. We have equipment, chocks, engine plugs, and as you can see, now the engine plugs and chocks are fitted. We have tie downs that are on the wings and tail. Static wicks. These static wicks on the elevators here. Pitot covers. Go and cover the two pitos on the nose. And a view. It's a custom view. It goes from the wall to the side, which is cool. Plugged in there at the back of the left engine. And it gives us electrical power to start the engine if we want. But we can turn that off. And we have cabin upper, which is that one. That is lower, which is this door. The two nose doors. Two of these. And the nose door 3 on the right side. Left wing locker. It's that little thing right there. And the right wing locker is the same thing on the right side. Fuel caps are in the wings. It's really hard to see them. I'll show them to you later. Oil. You can see the dipstick on the engine. Comes out. I'm not sure what that does. It opens the hydraulic reservoir in the back of the engine net and engine doors, and open up the engines. Which, I mean, it looks pretty good in there, I think. So let's close all that up. Take off all the printer covers. Then it has this, you can see the wind speed, pressure, temperature, barometer. We can add things, say, right now if we look in the back here, we just have our girl co-pilot with nobody in the back seats here. So if I want to add, say, a girl, Alicia, and then a guy looking back, and the girl with her tablet. Now when we go back here, there is, a girl on her phone, guy looking back, and the little girl on her tablet. Which is pretty cool, and it actually adds realistic weight. As you can see, it tips down a little bit. So the total weight here, we have 36 gallons of fuel. That's not a whole lot to go 570 nautical miles, which is pretty damn good. And then we have this is our virtual checklist. Go ahead and hit next. And we can open the store here. Go outside the aircraft. Take a look around. Can unlock this. First, I have to hit that little button. Then you can hit the big latch. Close it again. Like that. And the lock. Do a control. Well, we have our controls locked, I believe, so we can't do that. Yeah, we can place and remove the static wicks. Then check that intake. Check the boom. Open our engine cover. Here's the fuel cover. Now, sadly, when you're in this mode, you cannot move the camera. You can check for water in the fuel if you want. I don't know why it only goes to there. Oh. Water, that's good. Open that, shut that. And then in here, that are cowl flaps. Just looking at the landing gear. Check the oil. Close it back up. It's the propeller. Install the intakes. Then the wheel, the chocks. Here allows you to flip around left here, up the side. Allows you to check, because here is the leading edge boot for rising and stuff. Here you got our cargo door on the inside, actually. I don't know why there's an inside cargo camera, because on the inside you can't open it. But from the outside, you have that. It opens. Same thing with further. So yeah, now we can close this again by clicking here, and by clicking. And checking out the nose gear, pretty nice. Fuel covers. These are kind of bad fuel covers. Normally it covers the whole thing. Whatever. Let's open this side the same way. Again, you just click on to open it. You click on this little square at the bottom, and then you click on the part that lifts up. Just like in real life, you press your finger in the little hole, it goes down, and then you lift up. Here we've got our bleed air for the air conditioner and heaters. Another wind boot. Now we can go to the tail section now. Our static ports, vertical stabilizer, antennas, windows, tail. And normally, if the controls aren't locked, you can grab the controls or use your controls. Yeah, see with the rudder. I can move the rudder with my controls. But since the control is locked, the cannon down. And you can place this bungee cord on there, unlock, and that locks the tail. Over, more static ports, and now we are back in the airplane. So now I have to go and shut this door over here, which I do by clicking here. Bring that up, and then I click this handle. Click here, and that locks it. And you know it's locked because there's green seals there. Okay, the final thing in the cabin. is if you click here, slides down, fuel comes out, boom, and cup holders. That is the final thing about this aircraft that I want to show you in the cabin. So we can turn this off, hide it. Also, if you want to unlock these, press the button and the window will open. I want to show it, close it, press the button. We got a control block on. Now we should be able to use the ailerons, elevators, and rudder. So, starting procedures. First thing we're going to do is turn on our master battery right here, the center switch. These are our two alternators right there, or they call them generators, but they're really alternators. Turn that on. Turn our nav lights on. Texture lights can stay up, floating lights, and landing lights can put it to the center, which should deploy them. So we'll put to the center. They have to be on to be deployed, so cabin heat making off. And this took me a long time to find out. This right here, the switch is for avionics. It's really difficult to find. So we're going to turn on off left magneto, and our legs on. Now this pump can be set to low for right now. Color mixture to about 75%. Color pitch up, throttle there, and fuel is down here. I'm going to set this to left tank. Add a little bit of power because it is cold right now. What we're going to do now is put it to high and prime it to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5. For some whatever reason doesn't want to hold. And we're going to go clear prop. And it will drop really low RPM. You'll think it's dying, but it's not actually dying. So watch the minimal pressure, free, up. Once it stabilizes, I'm going to turn on your fuel, like, I don't know, meter. So running 3.1 gallons per hour, which is pretty good. Oil pressure is in the green, cylinder temperature is climbing. Fuel quantity, we're doing kind of bad on fuel quantity. And these switches, you can, or these dials, you can click, and it'll actually wiggle them, like it's breathing or something. Wiggle them. Same with these ones down here. This suction, it'll wiggle. Oxygen, it'll wiggle. Okay, so our left engine is now started. Back to idle, and the same process. Pillar up. That's fuel pump off. Mixture up. It'll put on the right tank. Alternator on. Ox pump on. 5. Primer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right engine. Put a little bit of throttle. And 3, 2, 1. Clear prop. Magnetos. Start and even it'll drop to really low RPM, but that's just where it idles at. It idles at what is that, 600. should be going good. Right engine. And the check on the left engine, so cylinder temperature is climbing. Oil pressure is good. And now we can drop the throttle. And they should even out. Turn on this alternator. Turn on boost pump. And avionics on. Get a ding noise. Your Garmin will turn on, and to turn on your weather radar, you have to change the range from off to whatever radar range you want, and you can either select map or you can select weather radar. Weather radar doesn't work that well, map does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I might make another video soon on how to use the autopilot and navigation in both the G530 and the G750 models of this aircraft. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a nice day.